No, like this.
Ursula, why aren't you doing ballet? What are you doing, Ursula?
It's still time for ballet class. Not a penguin. Hold on. Okay, it's time to switch slippers now. First, we have to take your tights off because we're gonna have naked feet now. It's time for the naked. I'll put our ballet slippers.